Hello, let's start again with the tool that we are intended to make. We have a project. Oh, I lost my bookmarks again. I have a project and it's called, definitely lost it again. All right. Where are my projects? Here we are, Fish Tweak Tool, and we have created some videos online, right? Let's start with the project Fish Tweak Tool. What have we done so far? He's going to read, I'm going to show. On the Control-Alt, no, not that one, Control-B, Brave, we have the GitHub of ArchLinux, basically, or Kiro, probably to these days, right? Let's see if that is going to be successful. And that's the problem. I was first, but nevertheless, Kiro gets more attention. So now we have to type Kiro Linux. Even then, on Brave anyway, we get this, but here we are, right? Kiro, that's the GitHub. Yes, that's my face, that's my name, right? Go in here, and then you can find here in the search, we're talking about fish, so that's the only thing, oops, the only thing you need to type. Fish is written like this. So we're making videos about how to create, how to design a complete fish shell config tool. Basically, we call it the Fish Tweak Tool. And that's basically what we're writing or making. And there are several things in here. There are some things we should talk about. And it's basically the ones that are paid, right, for members are really going from, well, recording everything, every step I'll make. And that's 1 hour, 20 minutes here. And other member videos exist as well next to the fish thing. So that's what we do with the subscribe button up here, join button or subscribe button. In there is the join where you can actually, well, you need to pay to actually see those member videos. And that's a way to, besides donating, of course, and PayPal and all that, to give some love back, because we are paying for Claude, as you will see, right? Anthropic. So this is Anthropic up here. Claude Code is a very useful tool. It takes control over your directories or your scripts, Python, Bash, doesn't care, right? It just writes code and voila. He has oriented himself. We've used the time wisely. He needs to write it in, well, read it anyway to get up to speed where we were. So what could be our next step? Is certainly a valid question. Scaffold stand up to the GTK4 app repo per new repo MD, but a few things could reasonably come first rather than guess. Let me confirm direction. Big tier task, new repo, script, stocks, GTK4, skeletons, all research standards first. That's it. My advantage, of course, is that we have the ArchLinux logout, first app, the ATT, second app. We have the Petalog screen, also an app, basically part of ArchLinux logout. Then we created the Alacritty Tweak Tool. Then we created the Fastfetch Tweak Tool. Now we're going to create the Fish Tweak Tool. We have the Calamaris Tweak Tool, right? So already 6 of them. He has an overview of what I like, because those are preferences. Those are design choices, language choices. And I've done that, of course, prior to doing anything, is what languages can you build apps in? And a long list came, right, of all the things that I could write an application to. And for instance, this chat.wm here, which is now my.chat.wm, which is basically all forks of DWM, is written in C. No issue, right? He just created my chat.wm with a menu that we now have and all that. And DWM, that's a no-go, right? Having a right mouse click is a no-go. It feels like OpenBox or anything like that, but it's not. It's DWM. So that's Linux for you. You can do anything you like on Linux. That's the fun. That's the freedom you have. And with Claude now present, the sky's the limit, right? So he looked around. He's looking around at Alacritty Tweak Tool you see here. And that's a good example. How does that look? Alacritty Tweak Tool is this. And I think that would be awesome because in effect, we are also going to change the terminal. This is a terminal. This is not the real terminal. It's a fake terminal. I think I call it VTE or something, right? And it does not look that good. It's a representation. Okay, but that's all it is. This looks better. But they mimic what it's supposed to be, right? It's not transparent and all that. It looks a bit old school, but in reality, it's much better. But we need to have something also in Fish if we're going to use a theme, to show the theme, to show the prompt. So basically, we can decide, okay, this is something we like or we don't like. So that's a good start-off point. And yes, today we have to wait for API responses, not the first time around. In the other screen, I have a dual screen. He's working on another process, another creation, which is actually, well, it showed us as well there that we had to wait for the advisor. So somebody is going to advise us. This Claude session is going to be overlooked by something else. I call it the advisor, right? And he's thinking, is this approach okay or not? Voila. So advisor has reviewed the conversation and will apply the feedback, confirms the approach and the flags, the one true blocker, location, let me find nothing. Okay, yes. So we have the Kiro Fish Tweak Tool, a folder that's ready for it. And then a package build. And then we have, I think, 8 milestones. And the first milestone is a simple one. And then we keep on adding. We keep on recording. And at some point in time, you have your own idea. You have your own Claude. And you say, oh, I'm going to try this too. If Erik can do that, why can't I? Sure you can. Yeah, at some point in time, we wanted already to create where we wanted to think it through, right? So there were some files already there, Kiro, JPEG, stuff like that, but nothing really was there, right? We stopped it and say, no, first think about things. First think, then act. There's a proverb kind of thing. Us European guys were more like, act and then think. Nah, it pays off to think longer and then act. This is important. Design docs, Fish Tweak Tool MD, the mining peer distro Fish MD, and draft Kiro Fish config live in the Kiro project. Where should they live now the real repo exists? No, leave them there. Leave in Kiro project, keep all research artifacts in the staging workspace. The repo just references them by path. Yeah, the repo is code only. That's what we're gonna distribute to the users. That's going online. That's okay. There is a folder here called HQ.